Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APHA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious or rub salt in the wounds or anything, but very rough day here for the bulls today. So first thing I'm going to do is just get these lines out of the way. Sure, they still pertain, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. And given those lines don't really, mean anything at this point, we'll just get rid of them for now. So let's first start by talking about some levels of resistance. And as of right now, got some sideways price action. But if this sideways price action does begin to move itself in the upwards direction, the first key battleground to watch very closely and be wondering about is that pink line there, which on my chart represents the 200 period moving average. And that is currently valid at, we'll just call it the round number of $5. So again, any sort of upwards price movement, $5 is going to be that first big test to just gauge the health or lack thereof of any sort of bounce. Meaning if the price starts to bounce and gets closer and closer and then just gets smacked right back down, okay, well, at that point, yeah, you'd probably want to be very skeptical that bounce didn't have any sort of genuine power. But if the price gets up there and then just blasts right up through it, well, at that point, again, that's not a guarantee, but it's a more than a rational thought to be having, all right, wow, yeah, this movement's got some genuine strength behind it. So that's going to be an important level there to keep an eye on. If the price can get up through the $5 mark, next key level after that would be up there around $5.30. But one hurdle at a time. Let's just first see if the price can even get up above that $5 mark. As far as areas of support are concerned, let me squeeze down the chart here to offer up a bit more context. And the next key level of support going to be right here, which is basically where the price bounced off of today at the 470 mark. And then let me just make sure I'm not, yeah, and that actually makes that much more sense now that I do that, because you can see right here, this was a former area of resistance, 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 resistance. And I bring that all up because there's a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken, you want to see them act as support. And that's exactly what happened right there. So definitely want to continue to see that level hold up. If that level does not ultimately hold, though, and it fails, next key level would be down around 455. But yeah, rough day today. Let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.